Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Accord, that generation here from year 2008 to year 2012. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the heater fuse is located for your Honda Accord. Stay with us. We have two fuses in two different fuse boxes. We're going to demonstrate where the fuse is located. If your heater doesn't work, always check these two fuses. We're going to talk where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered in this video today for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that Honda Accord, that generation from year 2008 to 12, we'll be making video for every fuse, every relay. Why we do that, guys? To save you time and money. Because in the manual, it's not clear what the fuses are for. On those little bitty labels, you have abbreviations that you have no idea what it means. And let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, or you need to find a cigarette lighter fuse because you cannot charge your phone and your navigation doesn't work. Stay with us, guys, and we're going to share videos on that channel for every single fuse and relay. Another thing, every single car, guys, that we get at our garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. The mechanical videos will be on our main YouTube channels right there, guys. Altogether, we have about 1.2 million subscribers. We have helped over 1 million people save thousands of dollars. And let me show you something else, guys. If you need to buy relays, fuses at a really good price, guys, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. That way you don't waste time and money, guys, because some of those could be really expensive. You have those special fuses that are specific Honda fuses that could be really expensive, hard to find, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can find the fuses, relays. That way you don't waste your money. So let's go ahead and explain, guys, where the heater fuses are located. We'll demonstrate on a 2010 Honda Accord. You have three different fuse boxes, guys, but the fuse box that we'll need at first, okay, will be the one, okay, on the inside of your Honda Accord. If you look under the dash on the driver's side, all the way under the dash, upside down above the pedals, on the left side, you will notice a fuse box layout that looks just like this one right here. Now, before we guys continue, let's explain why it's a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here, guys, let's go ahead and explain which fuse we need to check. Now if we zoom in, you're going to see that next to the fuses you have numbers, which makes it really convenient. One of the fuses that you need to check is fuse number 16, 7.5 amp fuse right here. Now we need to go under the hood right here, and you have the engine management fuse box there. Open that cover and you're going to see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one here. This is, guys, the fuse box, and here, if you come in that row right there, all the way there, you have a 40 amp fuse that you will need to check, guys. That 40 amp fuse is for the heater as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.